Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome to my channel. If you are a new time viewer, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree Marie. I do all sorts of videos. I do lock videos, lock maintenance, hairstyling videos, a little daily vlogging, also home decor around my first one-bedroom apartment. I do a lot of DIY stuff and just little things like that. So definitely, if you are looking for videos every single day that entertain you and also encourage you and motivate you, inspire you, make you laugh, definitely do subscribe, because I bring about content every single day for you guys. I'm trying to, be consistent, and I think I've been doing really well so far. So definitely do join the crew and subscribe. But welcome back to all my crew members who are my subbies. Welcome. Of course, by the title of this video, you know that I'm about to do my hair. But today I want to give an in-depth, show you guys how I wash my hair and how I retwist my hair in the easiest way possible. So if you're looking for an easy way to kind of get around your hair, do this thing quickly. If you have something to do later on and you want to just quickly do your hair, I have a great method. So I want to show you guys. Right now my roots are like all over the place. Like, it doesn't even look like I retwisted. The last time I retwisted was when I did an updo hairstyle, and I retwisted just lightly, but when I took it out, everything kind of went back into shambles. So I'm going to do it again. This time I'm going to be using my natural aloe vera product that I mixed up together. So if you didn't see that video, definitely do check it out. I mixed up my own little concoctions and made natural hair gels. So no more Eco Styler gel. We are all natural right now. Trying to be. All right, so I mixed it up and I'm going to use it for the first time here. So we're gonna tame this bushy root situation here. And try to get this hair looking its best. Now, in order to wash my hair, I'm going to be using something that I already have, and that is this shampoo right here. I know some of you guys were asking exactly where you can find this. I have the information in the description box down below, but the name of this is Nature's Advantage Aloe Vera Shampoo. And it's not the most natural shampoo. Obviously it's got its chemicals in there, but this is clear and I've been using it for years. So I really do trust the brand. I think that it works really well. It lathers very well. And it's been working really well clarifying my hair. I'm also going to be using my Neutrogena shampoo, only because I have been seeing just a little bit of buildup with these two locks, and I think another lock in the front. So I'm going to be shampooing twice with this and my Neutrogena shampoo soap. So let's just get right into the shower and begin our wash day. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing that I do is I apply the Neutrogena clarifying shampoo all throughout my scalp. I normally do it vertically and horizontally, parting my hair straight back and also all across. And I distribute the shampoo throughout my scalp and also along the length of my locks. After I finish scrubbing it throughout my scalp and also applying on my locks, I rinse thoroughly in sections, making sure that all of the shampoo is out before I continue washing with my regular shampoo. Now that the shampoo is out, I am applying my next shampoo, which is the aloe vera shampoo. I'm doing this in sections. As you can see, I am using banana clips and rubber bands. I take one section and I go ahead and apply the shampoo in that section. I also, by the advice of one of my subbies, wash my locks individually. I wash each lock individually, especially the locks that give me the most problems, which are normally the ones around my edges and also in the way back. So after every wash, I try to make sure that I have a cotton t-shirt handy. And this is so that I eliminate any chances of lint from my cotton towel to like attach itself to my locks. I just grab a regular old t-shirt and squeeze my locks. In this way, I make sure to protect my hair while it's drying. If I'm doing anything around the house or just want to add some extra drying time, I just go ahead and style the t-shirt on my head, and there you go. Nobody judging me because nobody could see me in here. Alright, so now that I'm done washing my hair, I grabbed my flaxseed oil and I am going to retwist my roots with this. If you don't know how I made this and how to make it, definitely do check out the video. I have it linked below where I created my very own gel out of flax seeds and also out of the aloe vera plant. Here I have my olive oil and water mixture. I'm going to go ahead and just lightly moisturize my hair with that. Great, now it's time to retwist. I have clips only to separate my hair into sections because it is difficult to do this if it is not sectioned out. So you do want to be organized in a sense. So I am pretty much mapping out how I want my retwist to go. I want it to be center parted. So I created a center part and I parted it all the way down and put all my hair in the front. Now I'm going to take the side and section that off and take the other side and section that off. And I'm going to take one of these sides, this side right here, and section this off. And with this side, I'm going to get started. Okay, so I know I did a retwist video back when I first started my dreadlocks, but today I want to show you guys an easier method that I just discovered now that my hair has grown just a little bit longer. Here I am simply applying the flaxseed gel to my locks, applying enough at the roots where it will actually stay and stick. I'm applying it along the length as well, just for the sheen, twisting the lock, twisting it until it actually twirls at the root, and that twirl at the root is what is going to help it to stay and to mold, so that later on when I come back to the lock hours later when it dries, it has already held its retwist. So I'm doing the same thing all over again. This flaxseed gel concoction that I made, I recently put in the peppermint oil and the jojoba oil just so that the gel will smell a little bit better, because honestly the gel on its own does not smell so good. So this is just so that I can ensure that my hair smells awesome when I do my retwists, and it looks the best. So in order to secure the locks that I have retwisted, I just go ahead and tie it into a ponytail. And here I'm showing another close-up just so that you can see it in its entirety. You twist the root until it twists and twirls just a little bit, just enough for it to form, and then you just add it into the ponytail. Of course, you don't want to twist it too much because you don't want to apply too much pressure onto your root. Pressure onto your root is one of the reasons why a lot of people experience thinning locks. That is something that I really want to avoid. So I'm definitely being very intentional with what I do as far as this retwist is concerned. This is truly an easy way of retwisting your hair without the extra retwist clips. The only clips that I'm using here are the banana clips, which are meant to hold everything in place so that hairs don't tangle up, mingle, and marry at the roots, and so that I have like a clean base by which I go, according to when I style my hair in this retwist. So here I'm just continuing to retwist. There have been few hairs that I've noticed that are new growth hairs that are very small, and they have kind of like strayed out of the hair. So I make sure to apply enough flaxseed uh, gel at the root and twist enough so that that hair finds its way into the correct lock. Now this is one of my problem locks that I am about to retwist. I'm actually thinking about interlocking this because for a while it has not held a retwist, and it untangles, and I just don't know what to do. It is one of my looser hair. One of the looser texture of my hair is around that area, so it's really hard for me to hold the retwist. So I might just consider just doing what I gotta do as far as getting that held together. Maybe interlock it. I don't know. Right, so we're almost done here. Just twisting, and holding it in place. And I'm gonna hold this in for about 2 to 3 hours, and yeah. So here is how it looks so far. I think it came out really well. As soon as I take this out, it will definitely hold its retwist just as you see it here in this clip. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this really easy tutorial of how you can retwist your hair without clips. Please let me know what you think down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!